Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening System Preferences. Click the Apple menu at top left. Once System Preferences or System Settings is open, locate the Sharing pane. This is where the Mac name lives. Make sure you have administrator access and the admin password ready because you'll be prompted to authenticate when you change the name. If your Mac OS labels differ, use the search field at the top to type Sharing. Once found, click into Sharing and keep that window visible for the next steps. You now edit the computer name directly in the Sharing pane. Click the field and type the new name. Once done, the local host name will update automatically. Make sure it follows network rules and avoid characters like / or :. If your Mac is on a local network or using file sharing, other devices may briefly lose connection while DNS records refresh. After typing the name, press Enter or click Away to commit, and then authenticate with your admin password if prompted to finalize the change. You finish by confirming the change. Check Finder Network or open Terminal and run hostname to see the current name. Once done, test sharing services to ensure other devices can see the Mac. If the name didn't stick, reboot and re-enter your admin password because cache settings can block updates. Make sure to use the sudo sqtl command only if needed. It forces the local host name. Use it carefully. Finally, verify DNS entries on your router or DNS server if network visibility still fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.